Hello everyone, welcome to Students Learning Center, Empowering Minds. This is our 14th session in Science MCQs. Before that, if you have any doubts or clarifications, post in a comment box. We will answer it. Today's topic is Management of Natural Resources, Part 2. So let's begin today's session. Today's first question is, from the list of given below, pick the item that is not a natural resource. The options are option A soil, option B water, option C electricity, option D air. Of course, the answer is option C electricity. It is a man-made. Of course, there are natural electricity. Example, thunders. It is an example for natural electricity. But the given option answer is electricity, option C. The next question. Expand the abbreviation of GAP. Option A, Government Action Plan. Option B, Ganga Action Plan. Option C, Government Agency for Pollution Control. Option D, Government Animal Protection Plant. The answer is option B, Ganga Action Plan. Next question. Which are the 3 R's to save the environment? The options are reduce, recycle, reuse, replenish, reduce, reuse, reconstruct, recycle, reduce, reduce, recycle, and remove. The answer is option A, reduce, recycle, reuse. The next question. The Indira Gandhi Canal has brought greenery to considerable areas of. The options are option A Gujarat, option B Rajasthan, option C Bihar, option D Madhya Pradesh. The answer is Rajasthan. The next question. Groundwater will not be depleted due to afforestation, thermal power plants, loss of forest and decreased rainfall, cropping of high water demanding crops. The answer is afforestation. Afforestation is nothing but an establishment of forest or stand of trees in an area where there was no previous trees cover. The next question. Pick the right combination of terms which has no fossil fuels. The options, option A wind, ocean, coal, option B kerosene, wind and tide, option C wind, wood, sun, option D petroleum, wood and sun. The answer is option C wind, wood and sun. These are all renewable resources except the wood. Of course, we get the wood from the trees, but it should not be cut. The next question. Environment Day falls on option A 28th February, option B 23rd March, option C 5th June, option D 16th August. The answer is 5th June. The next question. Which gas is formed when fossil fuels are burnt in insufficient air? The answer is, let's move to the options. Option A carbon dioxide, option B carbon monoxide, option C both carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, option D neither carbon dioxide nor carbon monoxide. The answer is option B carbon monoxide. The next question. What is the purpose of rainwater harvesting? The answer, let's move to the options. Option A, to hold rainwater on the surface of the earth, to recharge groundwater, to use water for the irrigation of crops, to rear fish. The answer is option B, to recharge groundwater. Let's move to the next question. Sardar Sarovar Dam is constructed on which river? The options, option A Ganga, option B Sutlej, option C Narmada, option D Kaveri. The answer is option C River Narmada. That's all for today. If you have any doubts, please let us know and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.